How amazing life would be if you get pain in any part of the body and you can get rid of it immediately. You can even help others too to reduce their pain, even though they are miles apart. What if I tell you that you can also help your pets and plants? The amazing part is all this can be done without any medicine. It can be done naturally. You will start feeling positive towards life and everything will start happening smoothly. Your relationship with other people in the family or workplace will get better, and also your anger, irritation, and anxiety will start dissolving. You will be able to go to the root cause of any problem and heal them. Even you will be able to demolish any future disease before it gets manifests in your physical body. Yes, it is possible. What if I tell you that you can heal your present, past, and future situations as well? Your positivity will be overflowing and it will be surely affecting the lives of people around you in a positive manner. You will be able to protect yourself, your family members, your house, your vehicle while traveling, and so on. Do you want to know the real meaning of happiness? Do you want to unlock the secrets of joy, strength, and well-being? The answer is energy healing. And this is not magic. This is science, which has been practiced since ancient times. Due to the Guru Shishya tradition of teaching, where verbal dictum was used to transfer knowledge directly to the student, this beautiful essence of healthy life has been demolished from the common man's life. There are very few people in the world who found out this treasure and brought it to mankind. It is not taught in the present education system. That is why it is a mystery to a large number of people in the society till now. You don't need to go to any pandit, tantric, or astrologer to deal with difficult situations of your life, because you already have the potential in you. You can change the reality. All you need to know is about energy healing. The power of your intention, visualization, and affirmation is going to transform your life. You are a magnet. Whatever you attract, that manifests in your life. If you attract positivity, you will manifest positivity and vice versa. Think about a cotton cloth. The whole cloth is made out of cotton, right? What about a single thread of the cotton cloth? What is it made of? Same cotton, right? You being part of this universe is a part of the whole. So you are carrying the same conscious energy that of the universe. You are so powerful. You can manifest anything in your life with your positive thoughts and intentions. The one thing you need to get rid of is fear. Fear of God, fear of death, fear of future, fear of unwanted situations in life, fear of higher authorities of your organization. Why fear God? God is an expression. You can feel Him through every atom present in this universe. God does not come and give us punishment. It is the work of the law of nature, dharma, and it is not a religion, it is the way of living.